Hi guys, welcome to another episode of On The Way with Jizue. Today we're gonna be doing spa day for my Porsche, and I've got some nice products that I'm gonna like to debut today on my car, and we'll see how it goes. I will be showing you today step by step how I get my car fresh and looking all good. And I'll be also letting you know some of the mistakes people make when they're washing their cars. Right? Let's get straight into it. We're gonna be starting with the pre-wash. So this is to get all the grimes, all the dirt off the car so you can get it ready for sort of the hands-on cleaning. A lot of mistake people make is you start washing your car, you just start putting clothes on it, rubbing all the grimes, and that's where you get the scratches and the swirls, right? So what we're gonna do is we'll do a little bit of mixing, we'll spray the car, we'll let it sit for a few minutes, and we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Good. Then we'll do a little bit of pumping just to get the pressure in, and then once that's done, there are two separate nozzles. This one is for the spray foam and this one is for the pre-wash. So I'm just gonna swap you around now. Get some pressure in and let the fun begin. Alright, so now we've got the pre-wash on the car. We're just gonna let it sit for a few minutes, all nice and easy. So we're gonna let all the dirt and all the grime, everything is just gonna start fading off now. So just give it 2 minutes and we get to the foam wash. Right, so next thing we're gonna be going on with the Hydro Snow. Now I've let the pre-wash sit on there for about 2 minutes. So next thing, we'll do a little bit of mixing with the Hydro Foam and we'll see how it goes. The Hydro Foam, so we'll just change that. Put the right one in there and then we'll let it go. Oh yeah, because this one's just gonna give you scratches.
Oh,
and yeah.
It's alright for the lamp.
Yeah, for the lamps definitely, yeah. But the brush it's not it as well, yeah. Cheers, mate. So now, as you can see, we've got the snow foam on the car. We're just gonna let that sit again for another 2-3 minutes before we go in with the contact wash. Right now, the hand washing is done, so it's time to get the jet wash and rinse it off. So right now, the car is washed, rinsed. You can already see the car is looking nice. So I'm just gonna go in with the Hydro detail and I'm gonna dry the car, and I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. Stay tuned.